Good evening, friends. So today, now I will go to solve some problem in the topic factorization of polynomial. It will be based on factor and remainder theorem, and this chapter is is it clear to you? So now I am going to share my screen in front of you. So let us start together. So now the question is given as. So today I am going to start the topic which is known as factorization of polynomial. It is based on factor and remainder theorem. Chapter is a subtopic of algebra. Let me start now. So the first question is given as. Here the first question is given as factors of 4 plus 4x minus x square minus x cube are. What are the factors of 4 plus 4x minus x square minus x cube? Please can you help me to solve this question? Anyone who can help me to solve this question? So in order to solve this question, we will write basically here we have to find the factor of this given question. So how to find the factor of this given question? The factors of this given question how to find? So now 4 plus 4x minus x square minus x cube is equal to, here we will take common 4. If we take common 4 then we can write 1 plus x, and again minus we will take common x square, then it will come 1 plus x. Now you can see the common part is 1 plus x, and here 1 plus x part. So now what we can do, we can 1 plus x, 1 plus x, and 4 minus x square. So now here we will continue to write this one. And do you know the formula of a square minus b square? Here we have to use the formula a square minus b in order to solve this part, the part which I have underlined green color. So the formula for a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So we can write here bracket 2 square minus x square. So is equal to 1 plus x, here 2 plus x, and 2 minus x. So now you can see that we have found the factor of this question. The factors of this question is this one. So when we are factorizing the question 4 plus 4x minus x square minus x cube, we get the factors as 1 plus x, 2 plus x, and 2 minus x. Therefore, this is the answer of this question. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the chat box. I will definitely help to solve your doubt. Now I will move to the next question. So the next question is given as, what is the next question given? The next question is given as x minus 2 is of x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. So now we have to find the other factors of this equation. So what we have to find? We have to find here the others factors. So now the question is given as, hence factorize the expression x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 80. Okay, so here it is given that x minus 2 is a factor of the equation x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. So here we have to factorize the expression, this one, x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. So what we can do now in order to factorize this equation? So if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the chat box. I will definitely help you to solve your doubt. First, we will write this one, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, from here the value of x is 2. As you can see from here, the value of x is 2. Therefore, now we have to put 2 in this equation. That is, when we are putting the value of x in this equation, that is fx is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18, that is f2 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 9 into 2 plus 18 is equal to 2 cube. How much? 8. Minus 2 into 2 square. 2 square is 4, and if you multiply 4 with 2, you will get 8. After that, minus 18, 9 into 2 is equal to 18 plus 18. Minus 18 plus 18 cut, and 8 minus 8 cut is equal to 0. Therefore, now we have cross-checked and we have seen that x minus 2 is a factor of the given equation. Now, how we can factorize? Now, since x minus 2 is the factor of this given equation, so when we will divide x minus 2 with that equation, the since x minus 2 is the factor of this equation, so when we will divide x minus 2 with that equation, the remainder will be 0. Now let us divide x minus 2 with that given expression. So what it will come? So x minus 2 divide sign x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. So how we can divide? We will divide, we will multiply x minus 2 with x square. So when we will multiply x minus 2 with x square, we will get as x cube minus 2 x square. So here minus will come and here plus will come. These two, this one cut. And after that we will write minus 9x plus 18. Now we will multiply x minus 2 with minus 2. So when we will multiply x minus 2 with minus 2, multiply x minus 2 with 9, not minus 2. We will multiply it by minus 9. So what we will get? Minus 9x plus 18. That is, here it will be plus and here it will be minus. Therefore, we will get the remainder as 0. So this factor of this equation is, the equation is x minus 2 and x squared minus 9 is equal to x minus 2 x squared minus 3 square x minus 2 x minus 3 and x plus 3. Therefore, the factor of this given expression is x minus 2, x minus 3 and x plus 3. So let me know if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the chat box. I will definitely help you to clear your doubt. Now I will jump to the next question. So in the next question, here the question is given as, using the remainder theorem, factorize each of the, from this set of questions. I will solve this one. And the question is given as 3x cube plus 2x square minus 23x minus 30. And in this question, we have to factorize this question. Means we have to find the factor of this question. So how we can find the factor of this question? And here we have to use the remainder theorem. So can you say me what is the remainder of this? So you can see the constant part of this question is minus 30. What is minus 30? It is the constant part of this question. So what are the factors of 30? The factors of 30 are 1 factors of minus 30 are 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, उसके बाद 5 minus 5, comma 6 minus 6, etc. So the factors of minus 30 are 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 6, etc. So what we can do? So now we have to put each factors in this question and see in which factor this resultant value is 0, means the remainder will be 0. So after solving these factors, we can see that the resultant value in which the resultant value will be 0 in 3. So when we will take the value of x as 3, the resultant value will be 0. Okay, so now putting 3 in this, that is f3 is equal to 3 into 3 cube plus 2 into 3 cube 3 square minus 23 into 3 minus 30 is equal to 3 cube into 3 is equal to 81 plus 3 square 6 into 2, 9 into 2, 3 square is 9. So 9 into 2 will be 18 minus 23 into 3 will be 69 minus 30. So here we will solve 99 minus 99 and the resultant will be 0. So we can say that x minus 3, x minus 3 is the factor of 3x cube plus 2x square minus 23x minus 30. So from here we can see that x minus 3 is one of the factor, is one. The factor of 3x cube plus 2x square minus 23x minus 30. Therefore, how we can find the other factors? We have to just divide the whole equation with x minus 3 in order to find the other two factors. Is it okay? So can you please say me in the chat box how many factors are there for this particular question? How we can find the number of factors in a particular question? We can find it just by seeing the power of this question. So what is a power of the equation? So can you explain me what is the power of a equation? Power of a equation is the highest. What is the power of a equation? This one. Okay. Equation is 3. So it is a cubic equation. So the number of factors in this question will be 3. So one of the factor of this question is x minus 3. In order to find the other two factors, we will just divide the whole equation with x minus 3. So now we will divide the e- whole equation. There is 3 x cube 2x square minus 23x minus 30. Okay, so how we can divide this equation? So first 3x square. So 3x cube minus 9x square minus and here plus. So 11x square minus 23x. Now plus 11x. So how much we will get? 11x square minus 20. 11 into 3 is 33. X minus 33 x. So how much it will come? Minus and here plus, and here it will come as 10x minus 30. So plus 10. That will be equal to 10x minus 30. So minus, here it will come plus 0. Therefore, now we will write as the factors of this x minus 3 and 3x square plus 11x plus 10. Okay, so now we will solve. Equal to x minus 3. Here we will write 3x square plus 5x plus 6x plus 10. So x minus 3, and here we will take common as x. So 3x plus 5 plus 2, 3x plus 5 equal to x minus 3, x plus 2, and 3x plus 5. Now where we will factorize this equation, 3x cube plus 2x minus 23x minus 30, we will get the factors as x minus 3, x plus 2, and 3x plus 5. Okay, so now I will move to the next question. So now I will move to the next question, and the next question is given as, by using the remainder theorem, we have to factorize this expression. The expression is given as 3x cubed plus 10x squared plus x minus 6. So first we have to use the remainder theorem to factorize this given equation. Is it okay? So now can you help me to solve this problem? So in order to solve this problem, we will take the constant part. First we have to take the constant part. Okay. Now after taking the constant part, what we have to do? We have to find the factors of the constant. First, we will take the constant part of the question, and then we will find the factor of the constant part. So, minus 6, we will take the constant part minus 6, and the factors of minus 6 are 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, and 6, comma minus 6. Is it clear to you? So now by putting these values, we can see that when we put the value minus 1, so now let me suggest fx is equal to 3x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 6. Okay, now when we put x equal to minus 1, then we get 3 into minus 1 ka whole cube plus 10 into minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 6 is equal to minus, if somewhere you can see that, if you can see that anywhere, if you see that if any negative, if any odd power comes, 3 into minus 1 plus 10 into 1 minus 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 3 plus 10 minus 1 minus 6 is equal to 6 minus 1 is minus 7, and minus 3 is minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore from here we can find that x minus 1, x equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 is one of the factor of this given equation, 3x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 6. Is it clear? So we can say that x plus 1 is the factor of this given equation, is one of the factor of this given equation. But we have to find the other two factors. So how we can find other two factors? Now to find the other two factors, we have to just divide this given equation with x plus 1. Now let us start to divide this equation with x plus 1 in order to find the two factors. So x plus 1, 3x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 6. So when we are dividing this equation with x plus 1, we will get 3x square. So 3x cube plus 3x square. That is minus minus cancel 7x square plus x. Now plus 7x, 7x square plus 7x. So minus 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 6x minus x. Now minus 6 minus 6x minus 6. That is, here it will be plus then cancel 0. So the factors of this equation is x plus 1 and then 3x squared plus 7x minus 6. Now when we will factorize the quadratic equation, we will get, here it will be minus 18. So x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to x plus 1. Now here it will come as 3x x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3. So how much it will come? Is equal to x plus 1, x plus 3 and 3x. The factors of this equation is x plus 1, x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. Is it okay? So what are the factors of this given equation? The factors of this given equation is, what is the factor of this given equation? The factors of this given equation will be x plus 1, x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. Is it clear to you? So I think you can now find the factors of cubic equation very easily. We have to just consider the constant term of this given equation, then we have to write the factors of that constant term. Then by putting each factors of the constant term in the equation, we have to find which factor of the constant term is giving value 0, and the term which is giving the value 0 will be one of the factors of that given equation. Okay, so now here the power of this question is 3. It is a cubic equation, so there the total number of factors of this given equations will be 3. So now we have only found one factor, that is x plus 1, and now in order to find the other two factors, we have to just divide the given equation with one of the factors, and after finding quotient of that given equation, after dividing, we will just factorize the quotient and we will get the other two factors, as you can see here. Is it clear to you? Now I will solve the question number 6 for you. The question number 6 is given as question number 6. What is question number 6 given? Question number 6 is given as given that x minus 2 and x plus 1 are the factors of uh, the factors of fx is equal to x cube square plus ax plus b. So here we have to calculate the values of a and b. So now we have to calculate the values of a and b. Is it clear? So in this question it is given that x minus 2 and x plus 1 are the factors of the equation x square plus ax plus b. So now we have to calculate the value of a and b in this given equation. So how we can solve? So how we can solve to find the values of a and b? So here in this question it is given that x minus 2 and x plus 1 are the factors of this given equation. So from here we can conclude that the remainder of the equation will be 0 when we will find when we will put x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. So here I mean to say that f2 is equal to 0 and f minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear to you? F2 is equal to 0 and f minus 1 is equal to 0. Why? Because in the question it is given that x minus 2 and x plus 1 are the factors of this given equation x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. So now we have to put the value. So f2 is equal to 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b is equal to 0, that is epsilon 8 plus 2 into 2 4 into 3 12 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0, epsilon that is 20 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Therefore 2a plus b is equal to minus 20. So we have got the first equation, which is 2a plus b is equal to minus 20. But here we can see that in the question, in the given equation, there are two variables, that is a and b. So in order to get the values of a and b, we have to solve two equations. Okay, so now the second equation will be, we will get by putting f minus 1, means the value of x is minus 1. So f minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 3 minus 1 whole square plus a into minus 1 plus b is equal to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square is 1, and when we multiply it by 3 we will get as 3 minus a plus b is equal to 0. Epsilon minus minus 1 plus 3 will be 2 minus a plus b is equal to 0. Therefore b minus a is equal to minus 2. So from here we can see that we have got two equations, that is 2a plus b is equal to minus 20 and b minus a is equal to minus 2. Now we will solve these two equations to get our to get the values of a and b. We get solving equation 1 and 2, we get, so 2a plus b minus b plus a is equal to minus 20 plus 2. So b cut, here it will be 3a is equal to minus 18. Therefore a is equal to minus 6. Is it clear to you? So the value of a is minus 6. Now we have to find the value of b. So in order to find the value of b, we will substitute the value of a in equation 1. We will substitute the value of a in equation 1. So now by substituting the value of a in equation, we get 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 20. So minus 12 plus b is equal to minus 20. Therefore b is equal to minus 20 plus 12 is equal to minus 8. So here we can see that the value of a is minus 6 and value of b is minus 8. So the equation now formed will be, so what will be the equation formed now? The equation formed will be x's cube plus 3x square minus 6x minus 8. Okay, so in this question it is given that x minus 2 and x plus 1 is the factor of this given equation. So in this question we can see that it is given in the question, that is what is given, that x minus 2 and x plus 1 is the factor of this given equation. So now we have to find the factor number 3. Here we can see that only two factors are given. So now what we have to find? We have to find the factor number 3. So how we can find the factor number 3? So can you please help me to find factor number 3? Because here the power of this question is 3. So it is a cubic equation. So the number of factors of this equation will be also 3. But here only two factors are given, that is x minus 2 and x plus 1. So the third factor will be, so now in order to find the third factor, we will just divide this equation with x minus 2 or x plus 1. So now let us divide this equation with x minus 2 and let's see what comes next. So let us start to divide now. Divide it now. X cubed plus 3 x squared minus x minus 8. We will divide this equation with x minus 2. So now when we are dividing this equation with x minus 2, we get x square, so x cubed minus 2x square. So here it will be minus and here it will be plus. So 5x square minus 6x. So plus 5x, that is it will come 5x square minus 10x. So here it will be minus and here it will be plus. So cut 4x minus 8. So plus 4 is 4x minus 8. Now here it will be minus and here it will be plus. So cut 0. So the factors of this equation is x minus 2 and x square plus 5x plus 4. So x minus 2 and x square plus 4x plus x plus 4 is equal to x minus 2 and here x plus 4 plus 1 x plus 4. So now we will get here is equal to x minus 2 x plus 4 and x plus 1. So here we can see that, so what we can see, so here we can see that the factors of this given equation is x minus 2 x plus 4 and x plus 1. Is it clear to you? If you have any doubt, then you can definitely ask me in the chat box and I will positively solve your doubt. So now will be moving to the next question. And what is the next question given? The next question is given as if x plus a is a common factor of expression fx is equal to x square plus px plus q and gx is equal to x square plus mx plus n, then we have to show a is equal to, then we have to show that a is equal to n divided by m. So what is the question given? If x plus a is a common factor of given expressions, fx is equal to x square plus px plus q and gx is equal to x square plus mx plus n, then we have to show that a is equal to n minus q divided by m minus p. Is it clear to you? So now how we can solve this problem? Do you have any idea how we can solve this problem? If you have any idea, then you can definitely write in the chat box if you want to help me to solve this problem. So do you like me? So do you like to help me to solve this problem? If you have any idea, then you can definitely write in the chat box to help me to solve this problem. Any idea or something? So now I will be solving this problem for you. See, these are most advanced questions of factorization of polynomials. Okay, these are the most advanced questions of the chapter Factorization of Polynomials, which is based on factor and remainder theorem. So now I will be solving this problem for you. So let me start. Okay. So here you can see that. So what you can see, x minus a, x minus a is a common factor. Is it clear to you? So now can you say me what is the property of a factor? If something is a factor of any given equation, value. Can someone say me in the chat box, if something is a factor of a given equation, then what will be the resultant value of that equation? The resultant value means what will be the remainder of that equation? Anyone who can help me? So now, if we, oh, x plus a is the factor of this given equation. So when we will put x is equal to minus a in this equation, the resultant will be 0. And if we put x minus a in this equation, here also the resultant will be 0, because x plus a is the common factor of the expressions fx and gx simultaneously. Here in the question it is given, that is x plus a is a common factor of this equation. Is it okay? So now I will be solving this problem for you. So I mean to say you that here f of minus a is equal to 0 and g of minus a is equal to 0. So therefore, from these two equations we can conclude that can conclude that f of minus a is equal to g of minus a. Is it okay? So what we can conclude? F of minus a is equal to g of minus a, as x plus a is a common factor of this given expression, and the resultant of that equation, if we put the value minus 0, so we can conclude that f of minus a is equal to. So now by putting the value minus a in this both equation, we get f of minus a is equal to minus a का plus p into minus a plus q is equal to a square minus ab plus q. Okay, we will find the value of a. Oh no, we will not find the value of a. We will put the value minus a in the second equation, that is g of minus a is equal to minus a का whole square plus m into minus a plus n. Okay, it will be equal to 0. For epsilon a square minus ma plus n is equal to 0. So since here we can see that x plus a is a common factor of this expression, so we can write f of minus a is equal to g of minus a. So therefore, a square minus ap plus q is equal to a square minus ma plus n. So a square cut. So ap plus q is equal to minus ma plus n epsilon minus ap plus m a is equal to n minus q. So now we will take minus a as common, and if we take minus a as common, then it will come No, we will take a as common, not minus a. So it will come minus p n minus q. Therefore, a is equal to n minus q divided by m minus p. Is it clear to you? So here we have to. So here what we have to prove. So here we can see that we have to prove this one. A is equal to n minus q is equal to m minus p. So hence proved. Hence proved. Is it clear to you? If you have any doubt, then you can definitely ask me in the chat box. I will definitely help you to solve your doubt. So thank you so much for giving me a patient hearing. So now I will be signing off from this live session. And if you like my stream, please like and subscribe this channel for your future reference so that you will receive notification when I will come to my live session and you will be enjoying these live sessions thoroughly. So thank you so much for patient giving me a patient hearing. Thank you.